everyone, it's June Penny and welcome back to my channel. Now if you are new here, please press the subscribe button, as I would love for you to join my family here on YouTube. This video is about lash liner system. Now if you guys have not seen my video on lash liner system, the magnetic lash liner and eyelashes, please click right here and it will take you to my tutorial on how I put on these magnetic lashes, and the link will be down below if you want to order these. They are just amazing. The lashes that I have on today are called Seattle, and as you can see, I put the liner on. I do 2 coats of liner and then I just wait for it to dry and I just plop the lashes on and you're ready to go. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about, can it withstand high wind? And a lot of people have been asking me that, but it hasn't been windy here in New York, so I really couldn't test it out. So what is the next best thing? A blow dryer. That's right, and we have low and high, and we're going to do it now. So if you're wearing these lashes and you're outside and you're having a good time, but there's a gust of wind, you don't want to be lashless, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try it now. Okay, so I just put these on 10 minutes ago. And here we go. First, we're gonna do low. I gotta put on cool because the hot is too hot for me. They are not going anywhere, you guys. Look at this. They're not lifting up. They're not doing anything. Let's go high. On cool. Woo! Look at this. They are not moving. Oh. So there you go. They did not go anywhere and they stay on all day and they feel weightless. I mean, this is a huge game changer for me because I cannot put on lashes to save my life. I mean that 100%. You've seen in my other videos that I actually have a picture of the magnetic lashes where I put the top and the bottom on and it was just sticking out. It was terrible. Lash glue, no good. So this is perfect for me. And like I said, these are called Seattle. They are gorgeous, light, and then they have the more dramatic. And you know, if you're going to clubs, I don't know, you know, if you go into clubs or you just want a dramatic look for pictures, they have other lengths and volume. So I love these so much. So now you guys have seen and your question was answered. It does withhold high winds. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up, and if you want to see me review more of these lashes in the different lengths and volume, just comment down below and maybe I'll just do a giveaway. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the link down below.